The future of backup and recovery is gonna look very different. Modern infrastructure is evolving toward higher concurrency, denser virtualization, AI-driven analytics, pipelines, and increasingly aggressive recovery objectives. This generates larger data sets at higher velocity, and when issues arise, it requires faster recovery. And when things do break, the expectation is recovery will restore business operations quickly. Unfortunately, when data reaches the scale of petabytes, nothing in the legacy backup arsenal is quick, especially restore. That's why the HPE Alletra Storage MPX 10000 with the Data Protection Accelerator prepares enterprises for the petabyte scale recovery of the future. One industry analyst said it this way when describing the new Data Protection Accelerator. Whenever there's a fundamental shift, the infrastructure moves first. Then we have to go back and address the legacy assumptions in the rest of the stack. That's exactly where we are now with backup. The HPE Alletra Storage MPX 10000 with the Data Protection Accelerator delivers a proven, sustained accelerated throughput built with flash-native object storage essential for today's AI workloads. And say goodbye to rehydration bottlenecks. Recovery is up to 24 times faster than competitive solutions. By adding accelerators, your ingest and recovery RTO scales linearly. Built with HPE's Catalyst technology, you get source-side deduplication, encryption, and immutable data, and it fully integrates with our leading backup and recovery partners, now with the speed and confidence you'll need. The HPE Alletra Storage MPX 10000 with the Data Protection Accelerator. Finally, the speed and capacity of recovery infrastructure are catching up with the speed and agility of AI. If you're a CTO, an architect, or operations lead worried about the risk of backing up and restoring petabytes of data, you don't have to live with that uncertainty anymore. With the HPE Data Protection Accelerator and the X10000, restores that used to take days or weeks now take hours. HPE just changed the industry backup and recovery game forever.